This time we are going to solve linear equations for one variable. For this example, each of the following expressions, we're going to solve for the specified variable. In part A, we have the equation C equals 2 times pi times r and solve for r. The r is on the right-hand side term, multiplied by 2 and pi. To leave r by itself, or to solve for r, we are going to divide both sides by 2 pi. So then 2 pi and 2 pi reduce. Therefore, C over 2 times pi equals R as the result. The second one, part B, the V equals 4 over 3 times pi times R to the third, and we solve for R. R or R to the third power is part of the right-hand side expression. We are going to take care of one piece at a time because we have the coefficient 4 over 3 and the constant multiple there as a pi. So the first one, to get rid of 4 over 3, so we just multiply by 3 over 4 both sides of the equation, becomes 3 over 4. The V equals 3 over 4 times 4 over 3 pi r to the third. And this way, we can get rid of the 4 over 3. Next, we're going to get rid of the pi. We divide both sides by pi. It will be 3 over 4 r divided by pi equals r to the third. I'm going to put a note here. Divided by pi, divided by pi. So pi and pi reduce. And then we have 3 over 4 times r over pi equals r to the third. Since we are going to solve for r, from r to the third, we are going to take the cube root both sides of the equation. Recall the cube root means the quantity raised to the power 1 over 3. And if you have the r over 3 inside, use the exponent property, it becomes r to the power 3 times 1 over 3. The power reduced to be r to the first power, which is the r term that we are looking for. So that's the process for this part. So the right-hand side is r. The left-hand side becomes the third root of 3 times r divided by 4 pi. Another example, we are going to solve for h, where we have a equals 2 times L times W plus 2 times W times H plus 2 times H times L. Let's identify where we have the H term. H as the second term and the third term. So we're gonna keep the term containing H, move the one that's not having H as part of the factor. So subtract 2LW both sides of the equation. And then these two terms will be gone. The left-hand side becomes A minus 2 times L times W equals 2W times H plus 2 times H times L. Then we are going to solve for H. We're going to factor the H out. So we have the H here as a common factor. That means we have the H. And then the remaining factor would be the 2W plus 2 times L. The left-hand side as A minus 2 times L times W. To solve for H, we're going to divide both sides by the factor 2W plus 2L. Therefore, we have A minus 2 times L times W as a quantity of the numerator, all divided by 2W plus 2L on the bottom as one quantity equals the variable H.